Hey guys, how's it going? This is Gerald with Real Estate Investing Tips for Beginners. So I want to answer a question that is asked quite frequently, and that is, Gerald, how can I approach people with unpaid taxes? In other words, how can I begin to get involved in tax delinquent investing, or people that have not paid their property taxes? So, with regards to delinquent tax investing, what you want to focus on are people that have fallen behind at least 2 years or more with their property taxes. Now, this is important because there's a lot of people who are beginning in real estate, and what they're focusing on in this part of real estate investing, and what they're focusing on is everyone that has fallen behind on property taxes. You don't want to do that. Okay, that will burn your budget. That is lots of times that could be a waste of money. Simply because people that fall behind for like a year or so, lots of times it's just procrastination. Right now, if they are at least 2 years behind and more in their property taxes, if they're at least 2 years behind and more in property taxes, essentially that's waving their hand. That's kind of waving their hand in a sense. And it's even greater with people that don't have improved property, like land. Okay. These essentially are people that are saying, hey, I am no longer interested, or it's implying that I don't see this property as a priority. I'm not really interested in keeping this property in a sense. And this is why you want to target people that are at least 2 years behind on property taxes and older. So let's say, for instance, from 2 to 5 years. So now being 2021, you want to focus on people who have fallen behind 2019 and 2019 and older. Okay, with regards to property taxes. Another thing you want to focus on are people that live out of state. I don't care if it's houses. I do not care if it's land. I don't not care if it's a small apartment complex or what have you. If you're focusing on absentee owners, meaning people that live out of state, that have property that is behind on taxes for 2 plus years, you want to begin to target those individuals. Okay? You want to begin to target these people because remember, that's two different issues that I'm talking about. So they're behind on taxes and they live at a distance. Okay? Behind on taxes and they live at a distance. You want to focus on those individuals that are behind on taxes that live at a distance. These are people that are essentially telling you, I own a property in such and such state. I live out of state. I haven't paid my taxes in 2 years, my property taxes in 2 years. These are two essential hot tips that I can go ahead and give you all with regards to delinquent tax investing. Okay, there's a lot more I can go ahead and give you. Do me a favor, check out the link below. Okay, this is something that I'm going to say over 400 to 500 people have already gotten. It's because it works. Okay, it's a delinquent tax course. What it shows you is how to invest in delinquent tax investing from point A to point Z. Now, when I'm talking about delinquent tax investing, it is different than tax lien investing. Okay, delinquent tax investing has to do with people that essentially still own the property, but they're so far behind on property taxes that essentially what they're saying is, hey, can you buy my property? Let's make a deal. Okay, now in this course, I talk about several things as to how to go ahead and to target these people who are behind on property taxes, okay? Those of you that consistently ask this question, And those of you that really don't know how to get started and whatnot, this course was designed for somebody who is essentially beginning. If you're a seasoned investor, it will help you. However, this course is essentially baby steps to delinquent tax investing. This is for the brand new real estate investor, okay? So, check out the link below, guys. And I'm sure that you all will profit tremendously. If y'all found value in this video, please click the like button, share it with family and friends. Also, please check out the other link in the description. Join my Facebook group of over 40,000 members. Okay? Over 40,000 members. Guys, you all take care. Have a good one.